Alright guys, so I think we need to change the tile a little bit, so sorry guys, because yeah, on the hindsight I think it's just pretty unnatural, because there is no jigsaw, so I'm going to change that manually. Okay, so I'm going to choose this second line of tile, okay, and grab it, make that a kind of jigsaw filling. Right, so give it an unnatural feeling, and choose one of it, duplicate it, and place it at one side of it, and grab it, make it a jigsaw. Okay, so this is more natural, right? And you can just fine-tuning this by choose this line of tile and grab it, okay, and move that to the other side, so the right side of it. Okay, so apply the changes and duplicate this first, put it here, right, and then grab it, put it inside. Okay, so this is more natural. Okay, so yeah, you can just use this technique just to grab any of the tile. Okay, so just grab it and place it at a different position. Okay, just grab it, place a different position. This is kind of you can just move that a bunch, or just to change some of it. Yeah, this is just a way fine-tuning your model. So yeah, I think I wrote it down there. Never mind, I'm going to ship it as well. So I don't think I need this one. Okay, and grab it, just grab it will be suffice. Right, so put it here and duplicate this one, put it at I think it's here, and grab it and make it inside. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so yeah, pretty good. And 7, and jump one line, and yeah, it's just become repetitive work, like a toil that you have to do every day. We call that work, but for me it's just wasting life on this thing. I absolutely don't like repetitive work, but sometimes we gotta do that for money. Okay, that's life. So there is the saying quote that we don't do what we love, we do what we hate, and then and use the money that we earn doing what we hate to do things that we love. I think it's pretty sad, but unfortunately 90% of the time is true. Okay, so for example, I don't want to do the repetitive work of choosing all the tile. Okay, so but you have to do it, you gotta do it, because you want to make the work perfect. Okay, so just this time I'm not going to change it too much, make it inside, duplicate it, and place it here. This is just how I do things. Okay, so just mix it up, and yeah, I kind of regret why I made so much of the tile, okay, because it's just too much work to be done. Okay, this time I'm not going to repeat or duplicate a tile to make it more natural fitting. Yeah, I think I'm just going to stick with the middle of it. So I think I jump a line here. Never mind. Grab it, make it here. Right, so yeah, pretty good. This is just a more natural, give you a more natural feeling. Okay, so 3, right, pretty good. I think I can even I just choose every part of it and including the pole here and duplicate it. Yes, I think I can. So if I choose this part, yeah, just choose the line here. So I'm going to change that to 3 because this is the best way to do it. So shift, if you choose 1, not choose 1, but yeah. So I'm going to just make it, adding more things here, and I'm going to add this as well. So yeah.